Hey guys, it's Cam here. Today I'm gonna be telling you how to make your own t-shirt and how to cook this. So what you want to do is you want to go to Roblox.com and want to go to make an account and then go to Avatar Shop. And once you've done that, go to clothing and now click t-shirts. Now you see tons of t-shirts. So two options you can do is you can pick one of these t-shirts, copy it, or here's another way. So click that, and then just technically click new tab, and then just technically search up whatever you want to be. Like let's just do cake for example. Let's just do this. Go to images, and then this only works for computer. This whole thing. So if you don't have a computer, I don't know, because this only works on computer. I think. So then hold call or control and then hold shift and then hold I don't know how to describe it. It's the box with the two lines beside it, and it's at the top row of your computer. It's right next to the little box. It's just right to the right of it, and it's two next to the refresh. So just hold that, and then hold the window with the two lines. Boom. Your screen should turn kind of black. Now hold your mouse down, and so whatever turns white is what your image is going to be. So see, the white square is my image. It should pop up right there. And go back to catalog. Then in the search bar, it's next to Robux. Just type something random. Click library. It should be right below groups. And then once you click that, it should bring you to here. And then click my creations. And then once you've done that, click t-shirts. It's right below shorts, and then click. Wait a second. I made a lot. Click choose file. Now the image that popped up right there was the file that you just took a picture of. So it should bring up this little box thingy. And then this is just like all the screenshots that I took. You'll see you'll see if you haven't taken any images full, it'll just show the image that you took. So just click on it. But if you took a bunch of images, just click the first one, and then it should turn blue. So once it turns blue, click open. So I think that's a train. And then so once you're done, it choose the file. It'll exit you out of it. It'll say screenshot blah 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 right here. And then you can name it. I'm just gonna name it cake. And once you've done that, just click upload, and it should be ready. Once you made the t-shirt, so it will say t-shirt successfully created, and then click cake. Click the thing. It has like a little timer on it, or it might show this. It says item owned. So once you click on it, you see this. It's on. You should see this little character with a circle under it. Click it. Once you click that guy, it will bring you over to your avatar. This is where you can equip stuff. I have a bunch of stuff, but it should show up